You're now watching Breaking the Shell. Can I get a shell yeah? Shell yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another adventure. We got something a little bit different today. We got a day adventure for you guys. We are up here in the Smokie Mountains, guys, and I am looking for a waterfall that is not on the map. I've been told it's up this dirt road. Really awesome waterfall. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Let's go take a look. Here we go, guys. This is the way to the falls. We've got two different trails here. As you can see, it's not very long, depending on how you want to look at it. But I'm excited to show you this, guys. I've not been to this fall before. So let's start this trip. Our first little critter of the day. Run, little fella. With all them legs, you should be a little faster. Here's the old water silo, guys. Well, we gotta keep going. I just feeling this going zigzag back and forth all the way up. I've definitely learned that I am out of shape. But I do know it's going to be worth it, so. Falls Trail. Show yeah. Alright, it's getting windy, and I think we're starting to come to the top here. At least I hope we are. A really pretty view it opens up to. I don't know if you guys can hear that. What are you guys thinking so far? I think a beautiful little trail that I've been walking up. I thought it was a nice spot to stop and hydrate, you know. Gotta stay fresh. Got me a little waterfall right here, a little creek running through. I gotta walk through that mud, but that's alright. I don't know how close I am, but let's keep going. Here's a little bit of water for you. Unfortunately, there is other people on the trails, guys, so you got to be courteous. I let them go ahead, so I didn't film them or anything. But this little walkway here I thought was really cool. I wanted to film this and show you this. I'm gonna hold this old wooden rail, walk down the side of these logs. It looks like little steps cut out in them. Or you could try the rocks, but and trying to film this at the same time. So far it's not a bad walk. It's going to be really rough going back. It is pretty cool though. Thank you guys for being here. Smash that like button. Let's finish and get down to the waterfall. So yeah, guys, we made it. Wow. Find us a spot to hang out, guys. Oh yeah. As you can see, guys, we made it to the falls. This place is beautiful, guys. Well worth the walk. I'm a little tired. Broke a sweat today. I mean, what the shell? But wow, I'm gonna let you listen to this for a little bit, guys. Just enjoy that. We made it to the waterfall, guys. Thank you for coming on this trip with me. Tell me that is not beautiful. I'm gonna sit back and relax for a while and just enjoy this, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it too. Turn up the volume, really enjoy that sound. Then I gotta walk back to the car. Yeah, this is so worth it, guys. I love y'all. Thank you for being here. Whoa. Come on, Mama, I just want to walk by. There's the baby. There's flipping bear cubs up on my trail. Do you know how bad this sucks? No, the mama's right down there. But that bear cub is right there. He is as cute as all get out though. Alright, where's that mama at? I ain't gonna have none of this sneak up behind me and bite me in my butt. There she is.